Anthony works in the grocery store, saving his pennies for someday. Mama Leone left a note on the door. She said, "Sonny, move out to the country. Ah, but working too hard can give you a heart attack. You wanna know by now who needs a house out in Hackensack? Is that all you get for your money? And it seems such a waste of time.